Hi, it's Shirley Ross, and welcome to Design Space Friday. Back at the early part of February, I shared how I created the a recipe card that I do for each of my crops. And at the time, I said that I would share with you how I was able to create this tomato image from a group of vegetables. And you can see the image I created it from there. So I'm going to slide that out of the way, and we're going to work with the vegetables. And I'll make it just a little bit bigger. All right, so you can see it's a group of vegetables, and you can see all the different parts here. So the first thing we're going to do is ungroup, and then we're going to click on the parts of the vegetables that we don't need, and we will delete those out already so they won't be in the way when we start working with some others. Now we can't delete this one because this has the stripes from the cucumber and the leaf from the tomato. So that one we're going to want to keep. So we'll slide that over here. And so pretty much all we have left is the red from the tomato, which will move up here. And now we just have the two, the green base and the squash orange part. So we're going to just select these two that are here, and we are going to slice. This allows you to have the stem piece as well as the tomato piece. So we're going to move that out of the way and that out of the way. And now you see we have the tomato. We do have a few other pieces, but we are going to slice those out. And I'm going to try something here and just see how it works. I'm going to just try to use one square or rectangle to do all of them. All right, we're going to have to do it twice. We'll hold shift and there. All right, and then we will delete those out. Let's keep the big piece and those. All right, and then we'll bring this over and curve it just a little bit so it can cover just that small section. So then let's select it, and by holding the shift key and clicking the other, you've selected both images, and now we have, let's save that, we're going to need it. We'll delete those two. So now you have just the tomato. If you bring this here and arrange it to the front, you'll see the tomato fits right over it, and you have the green stem. That's what we wanted. So now we're going to bring the cucumber and the leaves, and this time I think we're going to twirl that around so we can use it on from the other side. There we go. And let's select the one in the back first and see if we can get, probably would be easier on this one to do the boxing. Yeah. All right, and then let's do a slice. And now we can get rid of the big one. We don't need it. And now you have the leaves that go on the top. And that is how you can take one image and create something else from it, as I did for this recipe card here. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you enjoy. Create something pretty.